Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I'm Gwenny of StyledByGwenny. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Scamp Dude unboxing for you. It's more of an unbagging really. I apologise for any distracting background noise. We've got another storm coming up here. Lots of rain and lots of wind whipping down the chimney breast and against the windows. Marvellous. Before we crack on with the unboxing, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and ringing my bell so you can join me for future ramblings. And if you enjoy this video even just a teeny bit, then give it a thumbs up. I have to tell you that I'm super excited about this unboxing. It has the trifecta of interest to me. It is a brand that is new to me. It is a product that I almost certainly will be in love with straight away. And the proceeds go to a good cause. Hurrah! Can we just take a moment to appreciate this gorgeous leopard and lightning bolt packaging? Fabulous. Now let's get inside and see what we got. Oh, little stripy paper bag with a Scamp Dude on it. What is it? It's a pouch. It's a huge pouch. It could be my dream pouch. I'm a pouch girl through and through. I have everyday handbag pouches. I have travel pouches. I have pouches for pouches. My name's Gwenny and I'm a pouch addict. This pouch, as you can see, is in the fabulous leopard and lightning bolt print that adorns approximately 99% of Scamp Dude's products, and is exactly what caught my eye when I first spotted this brand on the John Lewis website approximately 5 months ago. I missed out on the pouch that I was looking at then. I kept going back to check on it, but it never came back into stock. So I was absolutely delighted when I saw an ad on Instagram a few days ago for this particular piece. So it's a pouch. That's fairly self-explanatory. It's got a nice big zip. It's got lovely matching pink lining. And it is just one big piece. It has a Scamp Dude label in it. Other than that, simple, yet effective, yet gorgeous. It's 100% cotton and it's 35 centimeters by 25 centimeters. The Scamp Dude website says, this multi-purpose soft cotton zipper bag can be used in many ways. The perfect compact changing bag. It comfortably fits a packet of family wipes and a handful of nappies. Or a generous makeup bag. Or a clutch. Or a handy toy swag bag. Each bag can hold a generous selection of dinosaurs, cars, fairies, pens, stickers to keep the kids entertained on the move. From that, I think it's fair to say that this is a brand whose target demographic is young families and not middle-aged women with pouch fixations. I'll easily find a use for it, no problemo. Now, this pouch isn't just an amazing piece in its own right, it's part of a collaboration with successful women from various backgrounds championing good causes. Each limited edition bag is £28, with 100% of the profits going to each of the collaborators' chosen charities. I'll add all the details and links in the description below so you guys can go and check them out, but in the meantime, here's a rundown of the collaboration. Dame Jessica Ennis-Hill supporting the Children's Hospital charity in Sheffield. Stacey Solomon supporting Mind. Giovanna Fletcher supporting Copper Feel, Anna Saccone supporting Grief Encounter, Style Me Sunday supporting the Royal Society for Blind Children, The Fashionable Pan supporting the Stroke Association, and Lauren Laverne supporting intergenerational music making. I chose this particular pouch by Anna Saccone, because this pink and grey colourway suits my needs best. But I'm so happy that the linked charity is Grief Encounter, which supports bereaved children and young people and their families to help alleviate the pain caused by the death of someone close. I'm sure you'll agree, that's a great cause. This video is not sponsored by Scamp and Dude, any of the collaborators or any of the charities. I just wanted to share the love with you. In case you've never heard of this brand, if you've never heard of this collaboration, I hadn't heard of the brand until a few months ago, and I've got to say, I think their products are pretty snazzy. I'll let you know how I get on using this pouch, what fits, spoiler alert, everything. Wear and tear, etc. But in the meantime, aha, I'm back. You weren't expecting that, were you? Well, this story continues. After playing around with the pouch and looking at it and what have you, I decided that maybe the colours were a little bit too subtle for me. So I looked at the returns and exchanges policy online, and the policy was really straightforward. It said, if you want to return something, fill in the returns form. If you want to exchange something, no need to let them know in advance. Just put in a note with the package. So I did that. I wrote a lovely note about how I thought it was a really great idea what they were doing, how much I loved it, and could I just switch it out for another colour please. Didn't want to return it, just wanted to exchange it. A couple of days later I sent it off, recorded mail thankfully. A couple of days later I was at my laptop and I noticed my returns form was sitting on my desk, and I thought, I have literally just put a note in the package that I sent back. Okay, so I scrambled and tried to get in touch with them, but it was gone 6 p.m. So I sent them an email on their online form. I collected all the information, I gave them the tracking number, I could see that the package arrived that day and it had been signed for. So I tried to give them as much information as possible. I couldn't add any of the screenshots that I'd taken or anything like that, but I wrote it all out for them. Basically my email was, I've done something really, really stupid. And I got an email back the same night, actually, from Beck. Big shout out to Beck. Thank you very much for all your help. Saying that they just worked out who I was, what the order was, because thankfully I had actually written my name Gwen at the bottom of the note. So I gave them a bit of a clue as to what this thing was that arrived. So I've just received my replacement one. Now if you agree that this colourway might actually be a little bit more me, look at that. That's a really strong coral colour with an electric blue, and then the signature hot pink, really neon hot pink lightning bolt there. So again, great products, amazing customer service. So absolutely go check them out. And note to myself, don't get too giddy over things. Stop, take a breath. It's all going to work out fine. So thank you for watching this extra little piece. Normal service will be resumed. I'm off to play with my new pouch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!